Hey guys, so I hope you're doing all well. Today is a slightly different video. We're going to be doing a review of the new DJI RSC2. I've just upgraded from the Moser Aircross. Bought it back in August, just wasn't right for me. I was expecting too much out of a more simplified gimbal. And I realised I need something a bit more beefier. So here it is. Let's take a look at it. Here it is, the new DJI RSC2. Wow. DJI just do it right, don't they? The packaging, it's like an Apple product, you know, when you open one up. It's amazing. Let's take a look. So, what's inside the box? Let's find out. I think I've opened the box the wrong way around, you know. I want to be careful. Is it this way? Here we go. Actually, it feels very much like an Apple product, especially the bag, the smell. Oh, look at this. This is the mountain plate. I believe that this is the, correct me if I'm wrong, camera geeks, this is an Swiss plate, and this is the Manfrotto plate. So you can actually use this on top of any Manfrotto tripod or any other tripod that actually enables you to use it. So that's a cool feature. Got some cables, USB-C to USB-A, and some other ones. A spare Swiss mountain plate. It's a bit higher, so that's good if you got more like a Sony a6500 or a smaller camera. Let's get this out. It's just incredible how, you know, how they've done this. It's insane how they fit a Ronin, like not just a gimbal, DJI Ronin, into such a small form factor. It's just insane. Yeah, you've got the 1-inch screen here that is controlled by this dial here, I believe, and by this button here, as you can see. Let's get it looking like a gimbal. That is nice. It's like a gun. I mean, I don't condone weapons or anything, or guns, but you've got the trigger on the back. I quite like that focus and zoom. That is a really, really nice touch. So before you would have had like a focus wheel on the side, it's like here, and I think these plates here, M4 plates, can actually put on a follow focus system. That's more for the DJI Pro. That's the RSC2 Pro package. This is what the original SE should have been like, you know, with the lockable axes, you know, the little screen, the 1-inch screen. It should have been like this, and it's so well built. Let's go ahead and unlock the axes and make it look a bit more gimbal-like. So I'm trying to learn myself, I'll be honest. So, I've never used an RSC2 before. Have I ever used an SE DJI gimbal? I've used the normal S ones. Oh wow, this is so well built. Got all these. There we go, look at that. That's with the everything locked. All the axes are locked on it. But you can just see how chunky and well built this gimbal is. It's a shame that the small tripod didn't come as a metal one. I know that the Ronin S, the original one, was a metal tripod with some plastic. For me, it doesn't bother me that much. I'm more bothered about the gimbal, and they've absolutely smashed it. In a few moments you'll see the footage and what you can do with it. But overall, this, first impressions, it's amazing. And yeah, just the fact that you can literally fit it in your hoodie, as I saw Peter McKinnon did it on his review on this. He literally put it in his hoodie. That's mad, isn't it? Absolutely mad. But yeah, see you in a few minutes. Let's get the camera on. Let's see what it's like. See you soon.